Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into advanced tips and tricks for using Zoom to host webinars. Whether you're an experienced user or looking to enhance your webinar skills, this tutorial will help you take your Zoom webinars to the next level. Zoom webinars are a powerful tool for hosting large online events, and mastering these advanced features will help you engage your audience and run smooth, professional sessions. Here's how to level up your Zoom webinar game. Customize your webinar settings. Before your webinar, go to the Zoom website and click on Settings. Customize your webinar features to fit your needs. You can enable options like automatic recording, Q&A, polls, and more. Make sure to review your registration settings to control who can attend. Use breakout rooms for interactive sessions. If you have a large audience and want to break them into smaller groups for discussions or workshops, use Zoom's breakout rooms. You can assign participants to rooms manually or automatically and visit them to provide guidance. Host with multiple co-hosts. You don't have to handle everything on your own. Zoom allows you to assign multiple co-hosts, so you can delegate tasks like managing participants, monitoring the chat, and handling technical issues during the webinar. This helps ensure everything runs smoothly. Create and use polls. Engage your audience with real-time polls. You can set up polls ahead of time or create them during the webinar to gather feedback, ask questions, or keep the conversation interactive. Results are shown instantly, which encourages participation. Set up a webinar registration page. If you want to control who attends your webinar, set up a custom registration page. This allows you to collect information about your attendees and ensures you have the right audience for your event. You can even send automated email reminders before the webinar starts. Utilize webinar reports for post-event insights. After the webinar ends, Zoom provides detailed reports that include information on attendance, poll results, Q&A transcripts, and more. These insights help you improve future webinars and assess audience engagement. Use the webinar chat effectively. During the webinar, use the chat to communicate with attendees, share links, and provide additional resources. Consider designating a team member to monitor the chat and respond to questions or direct them to the Q&A section. Record and share the webinar. Recording your webinar is a great way to allow attendees to revisit the session later or share it with those who couldn't attend. You can set up automatic recording and share the link afterward with all registrants. With these advanced tips, you'll be able to create a more engaging and professional webinar experience for your audience. Have you used Zoom for webinars before? Share your tips or experiences in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.